Hello, everybody. How are you? I'm well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I wish all of you are also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear viewers, in my previous class, I have given the mark distribution and syllabus of English first paper for class 11, and today I would like to discuss from the syllabus of English second paper, and I would like to make it clear to you all, thus you can get it clear, or there might not be any confusion of mark distribution. Dear viewers, we have already given the syllabus of English first paper and second paper, but in that page you might not get the mark distribution of English second paper, and for that now I am here to give the mark distribution of English second paper. Dear viewers, from my video you can get a clear conception of mark distribution of English second paper. Here you can see a page named English second paper syllabus, and it's only for class 11. Dear viewers, first of all I have written items name at the top of the page and marks you can see clearly. At the very beginning of the item's name I have written article, and here is 5 marks for article. Dear viewers, in our previous examination there was also the items named article. As for COVID-19 we are not regular in our classroom, so we have to complete our syllabus through our online classes, and for that we have not increased the items or the names of items, thus it might not be very difficult for you, and for that we have also selected or chosen the previous items also. In our previous examination there was also article, and now in our next examination or answering examination you will also get article here, and there would be 5 marks. Dear viewers, in the next item is preposition. Our next item is preposition. Dear viewers, we are much more accustomed with the names, but it's a satire for us all that we are not still quite prepared, or we cannot get full marks in that items or prepositions. Dear viewers, I would like to give you a suggestion that if you want to get full marks in preposition, you should not confine yourself. You should not confine yourself within only this within the only the single prepositions. You have to take a good preparation. You have to get a good command over appropriate preposition or phrase preposition. Dear viewers, you if you can if you follow our online classes, or if you go through the uh, passage, or if you go through the exercises of preposition, you would get that there would be uh, phrase preposition. Most of them are taken from phrase preposition. So it's my suggestion for you all that if you want to get a good number in preposition, you have to complete phrase prepositions, and you have to know the uses of that preposition, that phrase prepositions, and you have to know the meaning of that phrase preposition. Dear viewers, most of the times you may fall in mistake that there are some prepositions which are so much close to each other, but the meaning is completely different, and the uses is completely different. So it there to get a good number in preposition, you have to have a clear and good conception of preposition or appropriate preposition, that is called phrase preposition. If you don't have the idea, and if you don't have the command of our phrase preposition, you would not be able to get full marks in preposition. Dear viewers, the next item is special phrase. In my classes, I have discussed about some special phrases. Dear viewers, if you follow my previous classes, which we have given through our YouTube channel or through our online classes, you would get it clear. There are thousands of phrases, dear viewers, but there are some special phrases which is only selected for your HSC syllabus. And if you have a good comment over that is special, some selected special phrases, then you would get a good number, and you would get it quite easy for you, dear viewers. So it's my suggestion for you that if you want to get a good number in a special phrase, you have to read through the pages of that chapter, and there is also a chart of special phrases and the uses of that special phrases. And you, if you follow my class of given on special phrase, I wish it would be very clear for you all, and you would get the full marks in special phrases quite easily. Dear viewers, our next item is completing story, and you can see that there is number 5 for completing story. And I have given a lot of exercises through my online classes, and you would get a clear conception how to use or how to complete uh, a sentence quite easily or reasonably. Dear viewers, sorry to say that there would not be story, there would be sentence, completing sentence. Okay, completing sentence 5, and right from verb 5. Dear viewers, to get a good number, both the item completing sentence and right from verb, you have to have a good command over the grammatical rules and the most obviously the structures of tenses. If you don't have a good command over the uh, structures of tenses, you would not be able to complete these two items, or you would not be able to get a good number in completing sentence and right from verb. So dear viewers, I wish all of you would get more emphasis on the rules of verbs, thus you can get a good number in right from verb and completing sentence. Dear viewers, next item is synonyms and antonyms. That dear viewers, you know the meaning of synonyms or similar meaning, or antonyms or opposite meaning of a word. This there is only 5 marks for synonyms and antonyms, and if you have a good command over vocabulary, you would be able to get this number quite easily. Dear viewers, our next item is guided writing or writing part. You can see that there would be a report, and there would be 10 marks for this report, and we have selected 1 to 10 1 to 10 report from your selected book. And next item is application writing. Dear viewers, there would be also 10 marks for application, and we have also selected 1 to 10 for your application writings. Dear viewers, if we count the number, then we can get total 50 marks in our second paper also. So dear viewers, it's my suggestion that if you follow my previous classes taken in through online, uh, in our YouTube channels or groups, you can get a clear conception about the topics. And Inshallah, we would continue uh, through these items, thus you can get it clear more. Thank you all. Thank you everybody.